Hey, what's up, man? It's King Cloud coming at y'all live, man. From the crib. I'm the original King Cloud. Just came out with a Shard remix about a month ago. Go look that up too. It's on my other page. I forgot the password to that page though. But as far as this, it was a picture though, and it had like highs and a blunt in his mouth. It was like a character I drew. But I'm finna write this flex and finesse thing. I forgot what I was doing for a minute. But if my camera messes up like it's freezing, how it just froze, that's my fault. I'm using a computer camera. It's not all that great. But like I said, like and comment. But here you go. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what y'all think about this and tell y'all friends. Me, I'm trying to get this label now. Let's get it. Fuck boy, don't want no problems. That do what we offer. Catch your body, we drop on. No sound with these step rounds. Hanging from the dock. You fuck around, don't fuck around. You don't wanna feel them shots. Keep her up. That's why you stay locked up. While I'm selling dope, try not to get locked up. Down in my glove box for them angry niggas when I get boxed up. Camo mask, rolling up in a all black Chevy. When you collapse, my nigga pushing on that gas. This love remind you of your life, fast and pointless. Your life lasted joint, bitch. Miracle for fucking around with my order for it. You we causing slaughter. 666 is my choice for numbers were off. Leave them coughing. That goo while you watching your sunlight fade. I come back and make you dig his grave while I'm smoking haze. Light it up, pass it to spade. Young nigga said life is great. Put her in the creek, throw in a couple snakes. At a king cobra, lucky clip, help her find a way. I am death in the cage, find the last place to stick the grave, and you get sent to hell with me for the rest of your days. Hell's keeping my gate, cause I'm flipping pussy, make a MacBook break. I got 380 jumping off the side of my plate. 1900 dumping gear, handle LeBron James tape. That just was my third fade. My fourth one is never let him take the grave. When I die, the juice will get passed to the next king. Cloud is my middle name. Always out of my coffin, beef is my side dish. I don't really have it all. These scrubs stay talking, that's why I had to offer. I'm giving you an offer, die with your parents or foster home. That's your only option. Ted gotta spit, it just caught a fever when you twitch while I was taking shit. Crush a bit, little bit, roll it up, take a hit. Half a pound, lay it down, half away, that's how we bake, nah. You can't fuck with my dinner plate, cause you slipped up on the first day. My niggas doing drills, catch me in the field, not another day. This your last meal, fitting on them shells, we bringing the hell. Kings, cartel, told you what we throwing in the trunk, we calling that lawn chair. We talking lawn chair, boy. But like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? There was only, I didn't finish it by 10 seconds. Yeah, there was so, and I just started like 2 seconds ago, so I had 12 seconds left. Um, but like, comment, subscribe, know what you're doing.